Hello YouTube, here's another episode of the 2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid engine and transmission replacement. In this episode, I'm going to show you what happened when we started up the engine and how we couldn't get it started, and then a trouble code and a noise that the engine is having. Okay, we're inside the Highlander here. So when I first turned this on, we actually had a slight issue where the car wasn't starting. So as you can see on the left hand side, this is the meter for the battery. We actually kept it pretty low. So what ended up happening was I had to go ahead and charge the batteries, the traction batteries in the back, to make this work. So let me show you what we ended up doing. Basically, took out the 3 battery modules in the back here, disconnected some of the high voltage lines, and then individually charged each of the battery packs. We actually charged them 2 at a time. There's 20 volts, about 20 volts that go through each pair of battery pack or each module. So we ended up charging that just enough, like maybe 10 minutes each module, and then we put it back together, and then we came back here to try to start it. So the procedure to start this is we're going to do the front wheel drive manual start, which is to bypass the electric motor. So the process is turn the key on to the on position 2 times on the accelerator pedal, bring it down to neutral 2 times on the accelerator pedal, hit the brakes, put it back to park, and then 2 times on the accelerator pedal, and this will actually bring you to the maintenance mode. So let me try that again with the key. So on. Oops, let me try it one more time. Okay, so get into maintenance mode, put the key in, turn it to on, until all the systems go normal, and then twice on the accelerator, hit the brakes so you can release the gearbox, bring it out to neutral, accelerate twice, hit the brakes so you bring it back to park, and then hit it twice again. And it says front wheel drive maintenance mode, and at this point you should be able to start the car. Okay, 2 issues we're having is that there is a check engine light on. No, not today. Front wheel drive maintenance mode. So we'll have to take a look at that. The engine started up. Fluid is moving. So this is good. There's a little bit of noise coming from the transmission a little bit, so I'm going to check the oil there. This is some smoke from, removing some of the systems. That's pretty normal. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Debt Free Cars. Stay out of debt, pay cash for cars. Debt Free Cars is here to help. Please subscribe.